Hi guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to make classic creamy coleslaw. This is so easy to make. It comes together very quickly so you can make it even last minute for a barbecue or party. I'm using a small head of green cabbage. Take the outer leaves off. Wash and dry the cabbage. Cut the bottom off. Cut the head in half. I'll cut the core off. Just cut it in a V. You can use a food processor with the shredded attachment. If you do that, this will be done in like 2 seconds. I'm just using a knife today since I'm making a small amount, but if you have a lot of coleslaw to make, definitely use a food processor. It'll save you a lot of time. So slice the cabbage as thinly as possible, like this. The last piece here, just chop it up, because you won't be able to slice that extremely thin. We'll need about 4 cups. Again, you can double the recipe for a large crowd. Put the cabbage into a big bowl. I'm using 2 medium carrots. Trim off the skinny end. I'll grate this on a box grater. We'll need about 1 cup of grated carrots. Add the carrots to the bowl. We'll need a yellow onion. We're just going to be using half for this recipe. Grate this on the box grater. This is a small amount of onion, about 1/4 cup, and that's all you need for this coleslaw. You don't want an overpowering onion flavor. Add the onion to the bowl. Now we'll make the easy dressing. Got mayonnaise. This is regular mayonnaise, not the one with olive oil, not low fat. Just regular, real mayonnaise. And whole milk yogurt. Just plain unsweetened. A little salt. Ground black pepper, sugar, apple cider vinegar. I like to add some celery seed. It's optional. If you don't have it, it's okay to leave it out. You can taste this and add more sugar if you'd like. Some people like their coleslaw a little sweeter, so it really is up to you. Pour on the dressing. Get every last bit of that creamy dressing. Give that a mix. Give it a taste. To me, this is the perfect classic coleslaw. You saw how simple and easy it is. It comes together really quickly. This serves about 8 people. You can easily double or triple this recipe for a bigger party. I hope you give this a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.